Welcome to our channel Ssshhh World. My name is Shaurya.
My name is Reha.
She is my cousin sister. So today my grandma's birthday is there. So that's why I am going to make a cake. Don't tell her. Let's begin. We'll put 1 cup milk at the bowl. Make sure it is in room temperature.
So I put milk and I am putting this oil.
Only 1/3. Put only 1/3. See this bubble? Now we'll put half cup sugar powder. Put 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix it well.
One direction you mix it.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's done now.
Oh yes. Put now 1/4 cup flour.
Remember guys, it's important to sieve soda and flour.
So I put now I do.
What do mix? 1/4 cup milk powder. Now we'll put 1½ baking powder. We
Put half cup baking soda.
It's a teaspoon, not half cup. Now again mix it.
Grease the mold of the oil.
Now we have to grease the mold with oil. Now our lump-free batter is ready.
Shaurya, see, I grease it nicely mold.
Yes. Just 4 years, but she's brilliant. Let's pour it.
Mona kon to nakwa de.
Now let's do the tapping technique. This will remove the bubbles.
Less than half is the fills. Now we put it in the oven.
First you have to preheat. For 5 minutes you have to preheat. First select bake for 180 degree. Now I have kept it for 180. Now let us start. Let us keep it for 10 minutes first. First we'll wait for 10 minutes, then again we'll check it's done. Then if it's perfect, then we'll not bake. If it's not done, then we'll bake. I can't wait to see the result. See, it's looking so good.
So it's ready now. Let's check it. Oh wow, it's ready.
Wow!
Oh, don't touch. It's hot. Cake is not stick in the toothpaste, which means it's ready. It's ready now. Mummy, Papa is removed for you. Remove it and cool it on the rack. Wow!
Now our brother is going to whip the cake with the cream. Whip the cream for the cake. Now I'll put the cream. This much will be enough. Now let's whip it.
We should get like snowy pigs.
Snowy pig.
I want to play with it. Snow.
Oh my little brother and little sister, this is not a real snow. Then what is it?
It's a cream.
Take this gift for you both.
It's party time!
I will pour the cream. Spread it evenly.
I will take this butter knife. Please use it softly. Okay. So, did you like our whipped cream cake? This is our first attempt. So now I will put chocolate serum on it in circular shape.
Okay, so now it's done. Wow. Wow. It's looking so good.
Should I help you, brother?
No. Our marble effect cake is now ready. So now we have to keep it for freeze. Let's freeze it.
So now our cake is frosted. Now we will do sprinkles. I will do.
No.
Okay.
I will do.
She will do. Because we both did.
પછી તું મને કે નહીં હમણાં નહીં યાર it was my trick. You want to do? Why did you do?
મને રોજ ચાટતી ડ્રેસ કેવું કેક બન્યું દેખાય He's eating free.
She's busy leaking cream. Oh my god, it's so fun.